If you need to set up Google Family Link on your child's iPhone, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. It's super, super simple. So let's dive in. So the first thing we want to do is jump into Chrome, right? So the reason we're jumping into Chrome is because we want to set this up on our child's iPhone. So what you want to do is dial in families.google and you will actually come up with this over here. So this is the page and you want to go ahead and you want to just click on sign in. Okay, you're going to go ahead and tap on sign in. So right from the top right hand side of the screen, you're going to hit those three lines. You're going to go and look for the add child over here. And here you want to tap on yes if your child has a Google account. It's ending in @Gmail. Let's go ahead and type yes. And here you're going to see a couple instructions. So you're going to go ahead and open your phone settings on your child's phone, and we're going to skip the Android device. So we're going to go for Chrome OS devices. You're going to go to people and then parental controls. You're going to follow the steps and set up your parental controls. And when you're done, you're going to come back here and tap on done, and that child will now be added, and you will be able to manage everything on your child's iPhone through the family link.